Everyone, welcome to the tutorial for the I2V sourcing task. In this video, you are doing two things: finding a reference image for an AI video generation evaluation, and you also need to edit the motion instruction so that it fits the image you actually find. The AI model would then look at the image you found and read your editing instruction to animate it into a video. Let me walk you through exactly how this works. So basically, your job is to find an image and make sure the instruction makes sense for that image. Each row you will see has a capability tag: people, animals, objects, scene, style, or graphic. That tells you what type of subject you are looking for. You would also see a reference image tag here. That's important because it tells you whether it needs you to find a real photo, a painting, a 3D render, a screenshot, and so on. So when you open this task, you'll see a few key fields. There's a reference image sourcing brief. This is your search guide for actually finding the image. There's also the motion instruction. That's what the AI will read to animate your image. And here's the adaptation hint. That's your cheat sheet for knowing what to edit and what to leave alone. We'll come back to that. So let me show you an example. Let's look at this row here. And this is an animals task. The reference image description says side view of a red-eared slider turtle on a flat gray rock near a pond, green shell with yellow markings, red patches behind the eyes, bright daylight. So I need a photo of a turtle on a rock. Now this part is basically just a search guide. I don't need to find a red-eared slider turtle specifically. I just need to find a turtle on a log. As long as it's a turtle that's clearly visible, good quality, no watermarks. Note that here the subject needs to be the main focus of the image. I don't need a tiny turtle in the corner of a landscape. It needs to be clear and high resolution. And since the tag here says photograph, I need a real photo. I also need to paste the source URL. Let's try to find one. I'll go to Google Images. I'll say something like turtle on a rock. Okay. And I'll click this tools, usage rights, Creative Commons, to make sure I'm using licensed photos only. And the first one actually seems okay. So I will download that. And I'll go back to this task here. I'll upload it. Copy the source URL. Next one, I need to see if I need to edit the motion instruction. It says just have the turtle walk across the rock super slow. That's just how turtles do. This one, I probably don't need to edit it. It says keeps instruction file to walk super slow, change turtle and rock to match the specific animal. It's still a rock. Okay, I think this one is good. So I'll submit.